How's it going? My name is Tim Yslava. If you're like me, you are curious to know who is following you and who doesn't follow you back. So I'm going to show you how to do that today on Instagram, right? You probably have tried like different third-party apps, and you will get banned from Instagram if you try to actually use those third-party apps. So what you do is you go on your Instagram profile online on your desktop or laptop. You could probably do this on your phone too. I just prefer to do it on my laptop. So you're going to go to your settings and privacy. Then you're going to go over here, see more and account center. Then after that, you're going to go ahead and click on the account that you want. Oh, sorry, scratch that. You're actually going to go to your information and permissions, excuse me. Then you're going to go to your export your information. And I already have done one today. So that's what we're going to use for like the second half of this. But for right now, all you have to do is just create export. Now you're going to choose your account, right? So I'm going to choose my personal Instagram account. And then I want to export to device. And then you're going to want to go ahead and customize information. Clear all this stuff. You could download all this stuff, but really all you really want for this is just your followers and following. So you could just clear all on everything else. Don't need any of this other stuff. Clear all, clear all, clear all. And you're going to press save. And then it'll basically ask you what the date range is. Just put all time in case, you know, one of your early followers unfollowed you. And you're going to press start export, right? And then just take some time. But then afterwards, you come back here. And as you saw at the beginning, I already have one. I literally just did it today. So you download that, right? And then it's gonna ask you for your password. So cool, the download has begun. This will take you into like your files, and then it will show you. Let me see if I can pull it up. Give me 1 second. Hopefully I'll pull it up for you guys. Actually, frick it, man. I'll just go ahead and share my entire screen so you could see what I'm seeing. Give me 1 second. Number one, I got to put myself on focus mode so you guys don't see any weird messages that might come up. But now I'll share my whole screen. Share my entire screen. Great. So now you can see my entire screen. So yeah, after you do the download, it'll come up here in your downloads. You just literally click that button. And again, I'm using Google Chrome. So obviously apply this. If you don't use Google Chrome, apply it to whatever you do use. And then you're going to go ahead and just click the followers sort of link. Okay, so this is your followers, and then this is your following. It's open up on a different tab. But anyways, compare. Now we're going to go compare two lists. Look it up. And then so this is literally what we're going to use right here. Description of list A. We're going to go, this is where we're going to put our followers. And then this is where we're going to put our following. Cool. So we have those two things ready to use. Now we're going to go to our following thing. Command A, then Command C. So copy all, paste it right there in the following. Then you're going to go over to your followers, Command A, Command C, and then go ahead and paste that in your followers. Okay. So then after that, you're going to literally just press compare lists. And right here, we have, this is only your followers. And then this is only your following. So right here, if you go down to the very bottom, this is who you are following and who doesn't follow you back. Okay. So basically, you could see exactly what you want, right? These people think they're, you know, better than me, maybe. I don't know what they think, right? Or maybe they got sick and tired of my antics. But that's up for you to decide if you want to continue following them or not, right? But in general, that's how you actually see who is following you and who doesn't follow you back. Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk soon.